Stop waiting for luck to change your life. The truth is, what you call luck doesn't exist. Every event, outcome, and result in your life is shaped by your thoughts, words, and beliefs. Instead of relying on chance, you can take control of your reality by repeating specific words daily. These affirmations align your thoughts and energy, allowing you to attract exactly what you desire. Today, we'll explore how you can let go of the concept of luck and replace it with intentional actions that create the life you truly want. Luck is often seen as a mysterious force that determines success or failure, but this belief is misleading. When you depend on luck, you place control of your life in something external, but the reality is far different. The outcomes you experience are the direct results of your inner thoughts and feelings. By focusing your energy on deliberate affirmations, you can reshape your circumstances instead of waiting for random events to work in your favor. True manifestation begins with the understanding that your words hold immense power. Every word you speak, whether positive or negative, influences the energy around you. Repeating affirmations daily isn't just about motivation. It's about rewiring your mind to align with what you want to achieve. Letting go of the idea of luck and accepting the practice of intentional words allows you to shift your focus from external forces to the energy you control within yourself. At its core, the law of attraction teaches that you attract what you focus on. This is not about random good fortune, but about intentional alignment. If you dwell on fears or doubts, those negative energies will amplify in your life. Conversely, if you choose to focus on positivity, clarity, and belief, your reality will reflect those qualities. The energy of your thoughts and words becomes a magnet, drawing similar energies into your life. The law of attraction works through a combination of focus and belief. To create the results you want, you must consistently align your thoughts with your goals. This alignment begins with clarity. When you clearly define what you desire, you signal to your mind and the universe that you are ready to receive it. Affirmations are an essential part of this process because they help you replace doubts and uncertainties with clear, empowering beliefs. By consistently repeating affirmations, you strengthen your connection to the outcomes you wish to attract. The process isn't about hoping or wishing, it's about reinforcing your belief in what's possible and aligning your actions accordingly. When you stop leaving things up to chance and start using affirmations intentionally, you'll notice a powerful shift in your reality. Believing in luck creates a barrier to taking control of your life. It implies that outcomes are random and that your efforts and intentions may not matter. This mindset is disempowering and shifts responsibility away from you, making it harder to focus on the real factors that influence your reality. When you rely on luck, you unconsciously allow uncertainty to dictate your life instead of harnessing the power of your thoughts and actions. Letting go of the idea of luck gives you the freedom to take charge of your reality. You can direct your energy toward affirmations and actions that align with your desires. By repeating specific affirmations daily, you replace the limiting belief in luck with the certainty that your words and thoughts shape your life. This shift removes doubt and empowers you to approach every situation with confidence and clarity, knowing that outcomes are within your control. Repetition is the key to making affirmations effective. The daily practice of repeating specific words reinforces new beliefs in your subconscious mind. Over time, these beliefs influence your actions, decisions, and overall energy. Without consistent repetition, affirmations lose their power, and old patterns may resurface. It is the daily commitment to this practice that ensures lasting change. When you repeat affirmations, you are not merely saying words, you are creating a habit of thinking and feeling in alignment with your goals. This consistency strengthens the connection between your intentions and your reality. Every time you affirm something positive, you build the momentum needed to attract the experiences and outcomes you want. The process becomes natural, allowing your thoughts and energy to stay aligned without relying on external factors like luck. Words are not just expressions, they carry energy that influences your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Every word you say emits a specific vibration that aligns with similar frequencies in the universe. When you repeat positive affirmations, you are sending out a powerful signal that draws experiences aligned with your desires. This is why being intentional about the words you use is so important. Scientific studies on neuroplasticity show that repeated words and thoughts can rewire the brain, creating new neural pathways. By using affirmations daily, you shift your mental patterns to align with positivity and success. This isn't about magic, it's about intentionally directing your energy through your words to create tangible results. When you speak affirmations with clarity and consistency, you set the foundation for long-term alignment with your goals. To make affirmations effective, they need to be specific, clear, and actionable. Start by identifying what you want to achieve and create affirmations that reflect those desires in present tense language. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." This eliminates doubt and focuses on the belief that the desired outcome is already real. Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine by choosing specific times to repeat them, such as in the morning or before going to bed. Speak them aloud with confidence and intention, or write them down to reinforce their impact. Regular practice builds consistency, making it easier to replace limiting thoughts with empowering ones. The key is to remain committed, allowing your affirmations to shape the way you think and act every day. A shift in mindset is necessary to replace the reliance on luck with purposeful thought and action. When you repeat affirmations, you are training your mind to focus on abundance and possibility rather than uncertainty. This practice allows you to let go of doubts and fears that may have held you back, replacing them with clarity and conviction. The words you use in your affirmations directly impact how you think and feel about your goals. By reinforcing positive beliefs every day, you create a mental environment that supports growth and achievement. This mindset isn't temporary. It becomes a permanent state that guides your decisions and actions, ensuring that your energy aligns with your desired outcomes. When starting an affirmation practice, it's common to encounter resistance. Doubts and negative thoughts may surface, making it feel like the affirmations are not working. This resistance is a natural part of the process as your mind adjusts to new beliefs. The key is to remain consistent and committed, even when the results aren't immediately visible. To overcome resistance, focus on the meaning behind the words you are repeating. Speak them with intention and believe in their truth. If doubts arise, acknowledge them, but do not let them control your focus. With time and persistence, the affirmations will replace old patterns, creating a strong foundation for positive change. The more you practice, the less resistance you will feel, and the easier it will become to align your thoughts with your goals. The daily repetition of affirmations impacts your thoughts and energy, creating a direct influence on your actions and decisions. By focusing on positive and clear statements, you condition your mind to seek opportunities and solutions aligned with your goals. This practice strengthens your ability to act with purpose and confidence, leading to outcomes that reflect your intentions. When affirmations become a part of your routine, they serve as reminders of what you want to achieve. They guide your mindset, keeping your thoughts centered on what matters most. Over time, this focus reshapes your perspective, allowing you to notice possibilities that may have been overlooked before. The consistent practice of affirmations reinforces belief in your ability to shape your reality, making external factors like luck irrelevant. To replace the idea of luck with intention, start by repeating affirmations that align with your goals. Choose words that reflect what you want to experience and speak them daily with purpose and clarity. Make this practice a non-negotiable part of your routine, knowing that it is the key to creating the life you desire. The process is simple yet powerful. Commit to your affirmations and trust the energy they generate. Let go of the belief in luck and focus on the impact of your words and thoughts. By doing this, you take full responsibility for your reality, ensuring that every outcome reflects your true intentions. Start today and let your affirmations guide you toward the results you want to see in your life.